This is Max and Mia podcast.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Max and Mia podcast.
Hey guys, we're super excited you're here with us today. As always, I'm Mia.
And I'm Max, and today's episode is all about real daily life English conversations.
Yup, not the boring textbook kind. We're talking real, natural, everyday English. The way people actually speak.
Exactly. So if you've ever wondered what to say at a coffee shop, how to make weekend plans with friends, or just chat with your coworkers,
this episode's for you. We'll go through some useful expressions first. The kind that make you sound like a real local.
and then we'll jump into 3 mini conversations, so you can hear how it all sounds in real life.
So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get started.
All right, before we jump into the conversations, let's warm up with some super useful expressions you'll hear today.
Yes, these are phrases that native speakers use all the time, but you don't usually find them in textbooks.
Vocabulary preview.
Okay, first one. Want to grab a coffee? It's a casual way of saying, do you want to get a coffee? Super common between friends or coworkers.
Right, like I could say, "Hey Max, it's been a long morning. Want to grab a coffee?"
I'd say, yeah, sounds perfect. And speaking of that, the next phrase is, sounds good to me. It's just a relaxed way to agree with someone.
Yeah, instead of saying "I agree" or "That's fine," you just go, "Sounds good to me," or even shorter, "Sounds good."
Now here's one I love, I'm down. It means I'm interested or I want to do that.
Exactly. Like if I say, "Hey Max, want to go hiking this weekend?" You could say, "I'm down."
Totally. It's chill and friendly.
Okay, next one. Let me check my schedule. It's what you say when someone invites you to do something, but you're not sure yet. You need to see if you're free.
Right. It's polite but not too formal. Like, I'd love to, but let me check my schedule first.
And last one, catch up. This one's super common. It means to talk and reconnect with someone, usually after some time apart.
Yeah, like, it's been forever. Let's grab lunch and catch up.
Okay, so those are your power phrases for today. Keep them in mind, because you'll hear all of them in the conversations coming up.
All right, let's dive into the first one. At the coffee shop.
Hey, David, over here.
Hey, Sarah. Wow, this place is nice. I've never been here before.
I know, right? It just opened a few weeks ago. I thought you'd like the vibe. Kind of chill, not too crowded.
Totally my kind of place. Thanks for picking it. So, how have you been?
Busy. Work's been a little crazy lately, but I'm surviving. You?
Same here. I feel like the days are flying by. Honestly, I needed this coffee break. Thanks for inviting me.
Of course. It's been a while. We definitely needed to catch up.
Yeah, last time we saw each other was, what, like a month ago?
At least, maybe even longer. Anyway, shall we grab something? I'm starving.
Definitely. Want to go up in order?
Sure. I already checked out the menu. They've got some cool options.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get started for you?
Hi, I'll have an oat milk latte, please. Medium. And can I get a blueberry muffin too?
Absolutely. Anything else?
Yeah, I'll do a cappuccino. Large, please. And do you guys have almond croissants?
We sure do. 1 cappuccino and 1 almond croissant. Coming up.
Thanks. Oh, and can we get it for here?
Of course. You can grab any table. We'll bring your order over when it's ready.
Okay, I'm already impressed. They had almond croissants. That's a win.
Right? I told you this place was a hidden gem.
So tell me more about work. You said it's been crazy?
Yeah, we've had back-to-back projects, and everything's on tight deadlines. I've basically been glued to my laptop for the last 2 weeks.
Ugh, that sounds rough. Are you at least getting time to rest?
A little, but not enough. I think I need a proper weekend off, like 0 screen time.
I hear you. Honestly, same here. I've been thinking of taking a short trip. Maybe just get out of the city for a couple of days.
Oh yeah? Where to?
Not sure yet. Somewhere close. Maybe the mountains, just fresh air and no emails.
That sounds amazing. I'm down for that. Let me know if you go. Maybe I'll tag along.
Really? That'd be fun. We could just relax, grab coffee somewhere cute, hike a little.
Yes, and sleep in and not talk about work. Deal?
Deal.
Here you go. 1 oat milk latte and muffin, and 1 cappuccino with the almond croissant.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh wow, that smells incredible. Look at this muffin. It's huge.
And this croissant is warm. I'm already in heaven. So, besides work, anything new?
I've started going to this dance class on Thursdays. It's super fun.
No way. What kind of dance?
Salsa. I was nervous at first, but the instructor is great, and the people are really welcoming.
That's awesome. I've always wanted to try salsa, but I've got 2 left feet.
Oh, come with me one day. Seriously, it's not about being perfect. It's just about having fun.
I'll think about it. But don't laugh if I trip over my own shoes.
Promise, I'll catch you if you fall.
Deal. So, dance class on Thursdays. What else?
I've been reading a new book series too. Kind of a fantasy adventure thing. Total page turner.
Nice. I haven't had time to read lately, but I've been listening to audiobooks on the train.
Oh, good idea. Any favorites?
Yeah, there's one called The Midnight Library. It's really thought-provoking. You'd like it.
I've heard of that. Okay, adding it to my list. You know what I love about this place?
Tell me what.
It feels like time slows down here. No rush, no stress, just good vibes and good coffee.
Yeah, it's nice to just sit and talk. No deadlines, no meetings. Just catching up like real humans.
Exactly. We need to do this more often.
Totally. Let's make it a monthly thing. Coffee and life updates.
Yes! And next time, maybe a different cafe. We can explore the city's coffee spots one by one.
Ooh, coffee tour? I'm down for that.
We can call it the Great Coffee Hunt.
Love it. I'll make us a schedule. Let me check my calendar.
You're such a planner.
Someone has to be.
Okay, serious question now. Muffin or croissant?
Oof, that's tough. This croissant is perfection, but your muffin looked amazing too.
Want to swap a bite?
Deal.
Okay, both are winners.
Agreed. We chose well today.
Thanks again for meeting up, David. I really needed this.
Me too, Sarah. Let's not wait a month next time.
No way. Next time, we're adding dance class and coffee.
Sounds good to me.
Making weekend plans.
Hey Jennifer, you free to talk for a sec?
Yep, just finished lunch. What's up?
I was just thinking, it's been a long week. Want to do something this weekend?
Oh yes, please. I could seriously use a break. What do you have in mind?
Not sure yet. I just knew I didn't want to stay home again and binge Netflix for 2 days straight.
Been there. Okay, let me check my schedule. Alright, I'm pretty free Saturday afternoon and Sunday all day.
Nice. Saturday afternoon sounds good. I'm down. Any ideas?
What about that new park that opened downtown? I heard it's got food trucks and live music on weekends.
Oh, that sounds fun. Super chill. I'm into that.
Cool, we could go round 3, walk around, grab something to eat, and hang out.
Sounds perfect, and maybe we can catch up with Tasha too, or she mentioned she wanted to hang out soon.
Yeah. Yes, let me send her a voice message. Hey, Tash. Any chance you're free Saturday afternoon? James and I are planning to hit the new park downtown.
Oh, you're fast. I like it.
Gotta move quick if we want to lock people in.
True, people's schedules fill up fast, especially hers.
Okay, she just replied. She says, sounds awesome. Count me in.
Boom. That's a solid plan. Us 3 at the park, sunshine, music, and good food.
Yes, finally a weekend plan that doesn't involve chores or errands.
Exactly, and honestly, I miss just being outside. This whole week I was stuck indoors.
Me too. The weather's supposed to be nice too. Sunny but not too hot.
Perfect for strolling around. Maybe we can bring a blanket and just chill on the grass for a bit.
Love that idea. A little picnic vibe without the pressure of actually packing a picnic.
Oh yes, just the vibes, no effort.
So what's the food truck game plan? Are we going all in?
Absolutely, I'm getting tacos, maybe a burger, and if there's bubble tea, I'm not saying no.
Oh, bubble tea. Now I'm excited, and I'm definitely getting something sweet, like a donut or churros if they have them.
You always go for the dessert.
Guilty. Life's too short to skip dessert.
Truth. Alright, I'll bring a speaker for music in case we want to sit somewhere and vibe a bit.
Nice. Should we bring games or anything?
Maybe something small, like Uno or cards.
Perfect. Low-key fun. Oh, Tasha just asked if she should bring snacks or something to sit on.
Tell her snacks are always welcome. And yeah, if she's got a blanket or something, even better.
Done. Snacks equals always a good idea. Bring a blanket if you got one.
Okay, we're really doing this. I'm already looking forward to it.
Me too. It's so refreshing to just make simple plans with friends. Nothing fancy, just good company.
Right, no dressing up, no reservations, just show up and enjoy the day.
And hopefully no one cancels last minute.
If they do, we're still going, rain or shine. Well, okay, maybe not rain.
Fair. I'm not trying to sit on soggy grass.
Same. But yeah, sunshine, tacos, good friends, that's the plan.
It's gonna be great, and we can take some photos too. Haven't posted anything in forever.
Ugh, same. My last post was like 2 birthdays ago.
Exactly. Time to give the feed some life again.
Alright, I'll put it in my calendar so I don't double book myself.
Good call. I already added it. Saturday at 3.
Sweet, thanks for making this happen, Jenny.
Of course, I love being the planner sometimes.
You're good at it. If it were up to me, I'd still be staring at my fridge wondering what to do.
Well, now you got plans and tacos.
Best combo.
Office talk. Deadlines and coffee breaks.
Morning, Matthew. You survived the 9 a.m. meeting?
Barely. That call could have been an email.
Totally. I was zoning out halfway through. So much corporate jargon.
Yeah, I swear if I hear the word synergy one more time, I might scream.
You and me both. Do you want more coffee?
Absolutely. Coffee is the only thing keeping me functional right now.
Here you go. Black, right?
You know me well. Thanks.
No problem. So, got any big deadlines this week?
Yeah. I've got that client report due Friday. Still so much left to do. What about you?
Same here. I've got 2 design reviews and a presentation for the marketing team. It never ends.
Honestly, I feel like we both need a vacation.
Don't tempt me. I've been daydreaming about beaches since Monday.
Same, but hey, at least we've got coffee.
True. Coffee and sarcastic coworkers. The essentials.
Speaking of coworkers, did you see Alex's email this morning?
The one with 12 attachments?
Yep. I opened the first one and immediately gave up.
I love how he always says, let me know if you have any questions, like it's not impossible to figure out what he means.
Right. I'm like, yes, Alex, I have 6 questions already.
But to be fair, he means well. He's just very detailed.
True, he's a good guy. Just needs a too much info filter.
So what's the game plan for your report? Need a hand?
Actually, yeah. If you have a few minutes later, could you glance at the layout? I'm second guessing the flow.
Of course. Just ping me when you're ready.
Oh, you're the best.
I know. Oh, by the way, have you talked to Jenna this week?
No, why?
She's switching teams, going to product full time.
No way, I didn't know that. Good for her.
Yeah, she told me yesterday. It's a big move, but she seems excited.
Makes sense. She's been helping them a lot lately anyway.
Exactly. I think she just wanted more creative input and less spreadsheet drama.
Who doesn't?
Seriously. Honestly, I've been thinking about changing things up too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe not switching teams, but I've been eyeing some of the internal mobility stuff. You know, different projects, new challenges.
That's smart. Keep it interesting.
Yeah, I just don't want to feel stuck, you know?
Totally get that. Honestly, I've been feeling the same lately, like I'm just doing the same thing every day.
Right, I mean, I love the people here, but the routine gets repetitive.
Yeah, some days I feel like I'm in a loop.
Exactly. But hey, one step at a time. Let's just survive this week first.
Agreed. Then we take over the world.
Or at least get through quarter 2.
Okay, real talk. What's your strategy to stay awake during afternoon meetings?
Oh, that's easy. I keep a water bottle with me and I take notes even if I don't need to.
Smart. I usually just try not to yawn too loudly.
I saw you last week. You were blinking in slow motion.
Busted. I was trying not to fall asleep on camera.
We've all been there. Pro tip: turn off your camera for connection issues.
That's genius. Sorry, I'm lagging. Meanwhile, I'm just laying on the floor.
Exactly. All right, I should probably get back to it. I've got a one-on-one in 10.
Oh, right. Who's it with?
Manager check-in. Nothing major, just the usual. How are you doing chat?
Nice. Just say, I'm functioning thanks to caffeine and Rachel's support.
Noted.
Okay, let's catch up later this afternoon. I'll Slack you about that report.
Sounds good. I'll keep my calendar open around 3.
Thanks. And hey, we got this. One task at a time.
Absolutely. Let's power through.
All right, back to the grind.
Back to pretending we're organized.
And that's a wrap for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed hanging out with us and listening to some real everyday English.
Yeah, from grabbing coffee to making weekend plans and chatting at work. These are the kinds of conversations you actually hear and use in daily life.
Exactly. And hey, if you like this episode, don't forget to give it a like, and most importantly,
subscribe. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming episodes. We've got lots of great topics coming your way.
And feel free to share the podcast with a friend who's learning English, or even someone who just wants to keep their skills sharp.
You can also follow us on social media. We post extra tips, expressions, and fun ways to keep practicing throughout the week.
Thanks again for listening and spending a little time with us.
We'll be back soon with more natural English and fun conversations.
Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English.
Bye for now.
See ya!